Everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So this is about the multiple positions at the UST company. So UST company is hiring for multiple positions. So let me take you to their website, official website. So when you go to this page, ust.com, you would be able to see 1000 plus openings in India itself. Okay, so in Bangalore it is 400 plus, is Chennai it is 250 plus, and in other locations they are also hiring. So nearly 1000 plus positions are there in this particular company, and they are hiring for multiple positions like Azure DevOps engineer, Java developer, DevOps engineer, Python DevOps engineer, and it's not about just development. They are also hiring for testing. So if you will search here, testing, right? So you can see architect one, software testing, tester three, three openings are there. Tester two, embedded testing. Then again, this tester one, embedded testing, software testing. Um, Let me just click on one of this thing so I can showcase to you what is the requirement exactly. Yeah, so they are looking for someone who can uh, construct test scenarios, write test cases, come up with the finding defects, participate in the meetings, grooming, stand-up calls, right? Agile methodology, update requirement traceability matrix. So the normal testers, the functional testers, that is one of the primary responsibility, and they might look for automation. So lot of hiring is there in this particular company. And to assist you, what I have done is I have come across one of the profile who is ready to refer you, right? So Pramod is on LinkedIn. You can connect, you can reach out to him on LinkedIn. He has shared all these opportunities, and as he has told, the positions are for QA tester. There is just a functional tester, manual tester, QA automation engineer, software QA analyst, and many more other opportunities are also there. And the locations are Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Kochi, Pune, and many more, right? So UST is not just hiring for the QA positions, they are hiring for development, they are hiring for lead testers, they are hiring for lead developers. Multiple open positions are there. So you can see many people are trying to reach out to him. I would request every one of you to connect with him. Along with that, you also connect with three to four other members who are working with UST company, who are willing to refer you, because when you get the referral, when you are referred by someone, so the chances for the interviews increases. Your profile would be shortlisted first, so you would be given the priority to have the interview. And there are multiple locations. If you are from Bangalore, apply for the Bangalore based location. If you are from Hyderabad, apply over there. If you are willing to relocate to Pune, Chennai, Kochi, you can apply from there as well. So this is a big opportunity. And as I told you, what you have to do is you have to go over here. Okay, and when you go to this careers page, right, like this, it would be coming up, careers at USD, search our open roles, click on here. Okay, so it would be like this. Then what you have to do is you have to click on India. India is having, you can see 1124 positions as of today. So you can click on that, right? And you can keep a check in future for the remote based positions, because they have given remote here, right? And this is with respect to the number of years of experience. So if you're looking for Bangalore based location, and if you're looking for 1 to 5 years of experience, you might see some of the positions like this. Okay, and don't worry about this filter. You just search for testing jobs, right? You will be able to see many jobs, because at times this filters, this functionalities might not work. So don't worry about those things. Search for testing, search for QA, search for automation, search for SDET. And as he has mentioned in the post, he will refer you, but you have to ensure that the job ID or the position that you have to provide it to him, along with the resume, along with the proper details, that these are the XYZ details, this is your notice period, this is your current CTC, this is your expected CTC. So all those details you need to give so that he can refer you. What I'll be doing is I'll be putting this link of the UST careers page along with the LinkedIn profile link of Pramod. So you can reach out to him, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.